guys, welcome to this is gonna be good. Today's roleplay is gonna be called
Get ready for snowstorm.
The big snowstorm. And pretend it's like 9 a.m. right now. Even though it says 15:06. That's not a number, but anyways. Ding ding ding. There's gonna be a big snowstorm approaching at 9 p.m. A big snowstorm. We gotta get ready, even though, I'm gonna tell the kids to go get ready and stuff. Wait guys, pretend that actually the snowstorm's at 8 and it's 2 right now, and it's in there and halfway close. Honey, wake up. You're awake, but get dressed. Fine.
There's gonna be a snowstorm.
Okay, and I don't care. Gotta get ready for the family. I'm good. There's some comfy clothes. I don't have any. I'll go get you some from the store. Kids, get dressed. Why, Mom? There's a big snowstorm approaching at 8. You gotta get ready immediately. Lily, wake up.
What?
A big
I'm so tired.
big snowstorm's approaching at
I'm just dressed.
Get dressed.
I'm ready.
Okay. Turn your bit or something. We have to get ready, so I'm gonna go to the store and get some stuff and food, just in case like the electricity get out. Why aren't you awake yet? Ugh.
Do you see the news?
Nuh-uh. Finally, there's something comfy.
This is snowstorm.
Well, what do you mean? A snowstorm's approaching at 8. At 8. Get ready. Oh my gosh! I gotta get ready. Pretend that it's already snowing. It's just not that hot, okay? It's snowing really lightly, but like, even though it's summertime when I'm like making this video, just pretend it's winter, okay? Like just pretend.
Ben, wake up.
What?
There's a snowstorm.
Really?
Yeah, get dressed.
Okay. Mom, I have 2 of these outfits.
Well, just wear one. I'll wear.
And then if you don't do that, I don't even know your sizes. They really look literally bigger than him. Like the biggest kid in the house. Pretend he closes all the doors and the living room doors.
Pretend it's not snowing in the bathroom. Just pretend it's not.
A snowstorm's approaching at 8. Oh my gosh, it's seeing it everywhere.
Ding, ding, ding. The snowstorm's approaching at 8. And if you're wondering where it's come from the TV in their room.
In the
girls' room.
There's that.
Yes, TV.
Snowstorm's approaching at 8. Snowstorm's approaching at 8. Snowstorm's approaching at 8. Oh my gosh.
You're not gonna die, Lily.
You should go get
dressed, you guys.
I'll just wear this comfy, I guess.
Honey, we might go to the store and get some clothes.
Okay, Ben has an extra pair of the same pair. Oh, it looks really ugly, but fine. All the boys are in good clothes. I hope, and I really hope that Sam's okay. If you don't know who Sam, he's like my brother. You know, it's something like he's supposed to be in college at winter. So yeah, just pretend he's okay. Anyways, hope you're okay to leave him to the store with me. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Do you want to come pick out your size of clothes?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, put your teddy bear down. Let's go. The boys already dressed. The family already has come.
What's in my bag? I forgot. I threw it on my bag. Okay, let's go. Kids. die, just a storm. I thought storm means die.
It doesn't mean like die.
Well, I forgot to get rid of these balloons.
Oopsie. Oh, they already have.
Fine, pretend it's not there.
Yeah.
But you guys can't see it, but yeah. There is out like this, just pretend. I bet falling, approaching falling. But I really that there's actually not a snowstorm coming right now.
It's just.
But I'm not telling you why though, because I'm not dumb.
We're just pretending there isn't one.
My sister done enough to tell you where we live, but like, I don't know, I'm not dumb enough. There's still, oh my god, I'm still there right now. Let's go. Oh jeez, this door is packed. Time to get out of here. I need folks in the big back. I like to buy this pet snake. Just sleep home.
Mommy, I'm scared.
But it's actually really bad. I have so much family, so I need this much.
Okay, here.
I'll take this one. Hey, I was gonna take that. I don't care, guys. Okay, guys, you better go quick. This is actually packed. Fine. I'll take, this, thank you.
Don't you need clothes?
It's fine. Okay, how I take for this shirt? Yeah. No, I'm on the ship. Okay. You have to see the toys before they die. Don't you need to worry about your family? But okay. Anyways,
Do you want to pick out your size? Why do I still have that face?
I'll pick up the size.
Oh.
Yeah, this one's my size. Okay.
I get this one. Yeah. Come on, guys.
Wait, here's the pay. Let's do some food, guys.
That's it. Wait, can you fix that face on me? Because I just don't like it. Give me like a sad face. Sad face. Look at that big nose, bro.
Leo. Baby freak. Oh, that's a freak right there with the snake in the forehead.
Hi, Flake, stay ahead. I'm good, Mommy.
My aunt's snowing.
Could you probably, because like, and you have to do, like, make it snow in like all the towns thingies.
Do you have any bags? Yeah, you can do that.
We need food for the snowstorm.
Who's saying that?
Me. I need food for the
It's
snowstorm.
some vegetables and stuff.
We need to serve the vegetables when they die. And do we need strawberry milk?
You already have some.
Do you have lactose free?
Huh?
Do you have lactose free?
Yeah.
Yay! Let's just get
I'll see you lactose-free pill. Based on milk.
Pip. We need to save the shrimp before it dies. Shrimp. Shrimp. Shrimp.
Oh, here we go. Let's go. I like to buy. Wait, some jelly.
Jelly.
Is your case? Okay, thank you. Okay. Let's go now, kids. So sad. Finally.
We did this video on the perfect timing because there's no background noise. It's us talking in the video.
Okay, let's go. I'm so cold.
Do you want to pause the video?
Yeah. There we go.
I'm so cold though. Mommy, can you make us some hot chocolate?
Yeah,
Let's
just
take it.
you can. I'll take that. You take Lily upstairs. Wait, actually, you just need to go upstairs. Okay. And take my phone. Okay. Okay, let's go, Lily. Want to talk with me?
So, can you make me some hot chocolate while you at it?
Yeah, let me just. Oh, it does need. Do have eggs though? Jeez. Anyways, keep putting stuff down.
Do
Let's put the vegetables down. I'll make you some hot chocolate, Lily. Do you want some syrup on it? Yeah. Like you always want. Okay, let me just get this pink cup. Put some syrup in it.
hot chocolate.
You have to put some boiling hot water in it. There you go. Put some boiling hot water in it. And here you go.
Thank you. It's hot. Thank you.
Let's go upstairs now.
Better. Wait, when we get upstairs, I want you to change into your new clothes that you just got.
Okay, Mom. Ugh. What's that sound?
What sound?
It's like,
I don't know.
is that you? Wait 1 second, I heard a sound. Okay, let me beat it out. Let's check. If it sounded okay.
Maybe that was Pro.
She's not upstairs. Okay, Lily. Okay, sit down.
But if you don't know Pro, there's a
Oh, dog. It's on our profile picture. Okay. Go get dressed, Leah. You're back.
Yeah, go get dressed. Yeah.
I need my phone. There you go. Okay. Great.
Go get dressed in the bathroom, Leah.
Oh, fine. Go get dressed.
Leah, I'm scared.
Ooh. Okay.
Guys, just pretend it's not like snowing in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Pretend. Ding ding, whoever didn't hear the announcement, there was a snowstorm happening.
Happening at 8. The current time is 5. It's 5? It took that long? Yes, just did not realize it took 2 hours to freaking get the stuff from the store.
The store was so packed.
And then there's a lot of cars in the road. It took like 30 minutes. Even though it usually takes like 5 minutes. Oh, jeez.
Yes, Sissy. Oh, geez, to you.
You want me to give you my hair clip or not? Because didn't you want one of my hair clips?
Yes.
Okay, then which one do you want?
I
What the
want
fuck?
teddy bear.
Teddy bear helps them. Fine, take this little teddy bear thing.
Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna go play chicken with it.
Oh, I'm gonna eat my donut, banana. Oh, okay.
With my hot chocolate that mommy made me with a wish.
Announcement. Snowstorm starts in 2 hours. And just pretend that it's an hour later. Snowstorm starts in 2 hours. Oh gee. Snowstorm starts in 2 hours. Snowstorm starts in 2 hours. Oh, I guess it is a snowstorm. Snowstorm starts in 2 hours. Snowstorm starts in 2 hours. Snowstorm starts in 2 hours. Jeez. I'm just gonna play my phone.
In my comfy, warm, ugly bed.
Snowstorm starts in 2 hours. Snowstorm starts in 2 hours. Snowstorm starts in 2 hours. She thinks me, by the way. Snowstorm starts in 2 hours.
Snowstorm starts in 2 hours.
Pretend this is a watch that he can always put on, okay? Snowstorm starts in 2 hours.
Snowstorm starts in 2 hours. Snowstorm starts in 2 hours.
Snowstorm starts in 2 hours. Snowstorm starts in 2 hours. Snowstorm starts in 2 hours. Snowstorm starts in 2 hours. Okay, before we forget, I'm gonna fill the bathtub with water just in case we need water. And there's lightning. Just in case if there's lightning in the
They don't have a bath.
pretend it's a bathtub, okay?
Yeah, you can just get one.
It's fine. And just in case the electricity goes out. Isn't it a good time to get a bathtub, but okay. You insist.
I insist for a bathtub.
Time to fill water with this bathtub. You don't have to shower.
And I know you got my like this video more because you don't hear my Ben. Not my Ben, my brother. He's so ugly and he's so
filled.
Yummy.
Usually my family fills bathtub with water just in case the electricity comes out.
Yeah, and I don't want electricity. I only like my liquor. You already know what I said.
Beep.
Beep. So some start to run out.
Ding.
Ding. Oh, what's that?
Ding.
What? Oh, you have things back.
I can't play in my games anymore? What the freak?
No.
I can't. I can still play on my iPad because until it dies. Oh wait, it's 2%. And she's on. My phone's 50%.
I don't ask mommy what percent of phone.
Bing. Oh, really? Oh, the TV's probably turned off. I can't play my games. That's big. Mom, turn on the internet. I can't. I think the electricity just came off. Oh, it's on my phone until it dies. What's the fine about?
Let me see what percent of phone. It's only 1%.
Not 10. Well, your iPad's dead now. I'm gonna see my battery. I don't even know what my phone charger is. I have one of my phone chargers. I could probably just use it.
I just pretend that's a phone charger.
Yeah. Well, you can't use it because of the electricity. Oh, shut up. I can't. Forgot about that part. Everyone getting warm clothes. Getting warm clothes. Well, at least my phone's 50%. Mine's 99.
Mommy, what percent your phone?
68.
I play on it, my iPad's dead.
For only 10 minutes. Pretend the snowstorm's starting. It is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Kids, you guys can stay with you guys and go see whatever you guys want to do, but...
It's so scary. Are we gonna get hurt?
I don't know. Just only if we don't might need to strike your house. Wanna go to my bed?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I don't right now.
Just right there, Lily.
I want donuts.
You want a snack?
Yeah.
I'll go get a snack.
Do we have any donuts?
I don't think so. Let me get some.
Darn it.
That's cake! Nutella! Crumpet! A person! Okay.
I was about to eat you, but...
Oh, jeez, you're weird. Okay.
Yeah.
Huh?
Did Sam move into the lake?
I'm not yet. Okay.
Yeah.
Pops will just
I wish
walk with
Sam
each
moved
other.
into London. Like, the other London. England,
England.
London.
You still remember, we live in London, England. Yeah.
Don't we live in London?
Lily!
London.
Stop it.
What? We live in London, London.
Oh, so. Okay, well, it's fine.
I'm gonna eat your shorts.
Okay.
I'm gonna eat
Where
her
is it?
shorts. I'm gonna banana
I gotta go
shorts.
take a freaking shower. The shower won't work, but it's fine.
I miss mommy's hair.
It's fine. Wash it
I'm
off.
gonna miss your mom. She's in the war.
Go. No, she's not.
She's at work, okay? I just wanna scare
I
you.
thought she's war. Like, she's not war. Because she's washed it and she's not war again, though. You gonna
Pretend
do-
her hair color is like normal.
Yeah, I'm gonna change it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be the exact same. It is. Time to change it.
It's literally doing nothing.
But usually it changes.
Guess you have to go to the salon. Tough darn I'm gonna eat your shorts.
Go! You did not know that trick?
No. I tried it before and it didn't work.
Maybe because you did it wrong.
I did it in the, like,
My phone's still 5%.
it's
Lucky
gonna die
for
in like
you.
5 minutes.
I'm sorry, I need it from that. Aww.
Thanks for the yummy Maggie.
We did not eat some. My baby. Ping! Ba ping! It's fine. It's outside the house. It's fine.
Make her cry, Leah. Sorry.
I put that feet play across the field. Hey! You threw that almost in my head. Jeez. It's in my water bottle. Oh my gosh, it's still freaking loud. I'm gonna see what was yelling. I'll be like, ba-bing, ba-bing. Oh, jeez.
Let's just stay back on, Mom.
So let's just take these back on. You can charge your
iPad.
iPad now.
Make her smile. iPad. My baby's gonna be alive.
Ba-bing.
Internet. I need to get my new car.
Then she charges.
Guys, if you don't know,
I don't have
my
a
dad
charger.
got in an accident like a couple days ago, I think.
Well,
And then-
it's not his fault.
yeah, it isn't his
Someone
fault.
fault? Someone cracked into him.
He can't, and the car place can't fix his car,
Shut up.
so he has to get a new one.
You can charge your iPad for 9 rooms. Don't be sneaky. Fine.
I
just
did,
told
I
them.
guys, I actually did that once in the old house.
What?
I actually charged my iPad in the old house. in
course
his room. He netted me like a baddie.
Me too. He did that to me too. Stop! Ooh, electricity's back on. Try to charge this baby. Do you have a charger? I have a million charges. Just stop it. Or just charge it in my
My iPad dead.
You have a freaking charger anyways. I can finally play games again. Let me charge it when I'm doing my games. But then there's an outlet right there. Ba-bing, 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 ba-bing. Ka-bam! Oh, guys, I think I have to shout it. It's really loud. Electricity turning off again. Guys, take all the chargers off your guys'. Electronics, yeah, it might electrocute you if you lightning hits it. Bing, ba-bing, ba-bing. Kids, always stay in one room. Yeah. Okay. It's annoying, but okay.
I'm so hot.
Lily, take your iPad off the charger. Okay, it's 50%. I'll take you to the room.
Dad.
How's it take this off?
Damn, my iPad, my phone is only 2%, bro.
I mean 20. What am I saying? She said they stay in one room because what if something bad happens? We're all staying in one room.
I don't want stinky mints to hold me anymore. I want beautiful mommy to hold me. Mommy,
Really, stop being weird, actually.
But she is pretty.
I'm prettier.
Pretty ugly. I have a new word, guys. I didn't roast it that much. I only roasted it one time. If you don't know, I roast the in every single video. Yeah.
5 hours later. It's freaking 5 a.m. This is so messed up.
Mommy, I'm so tired. Can I take a nap?
Don't stop, but it's foggy.
Can I take a nap?
Finally! I can finally go to bed.
Take a nap. Take 500. I'm gonna take it
Where'd the
500
phone
hours.
go?
But did the phone break?
I'll just find it another day. It's
I'll find your mom one day.
The phone though.
What phone?
Use phone. Do it somewhere.
Did her phone break?
I do it somewhere.
Hey, Leah,
Huh.
pay me money.
Why?
Cause I gave you a $500 gift card.
When?
Guys, Leah's mine. I actually gave her $500 gift card.
No, she never.
Who did?
Anyways, that's the end of today's roleplay.
Bye.
If you like it, you can like and subscribe, but you don't have to.
It really supports our channel.
Yeah, it really supports the channel because we only have like 47 subscribers, but that's okay.
It's a lot to
We're
us.
grateful. Yeah, it's a lot to us. We're really grateful, but yeah.
Fulton's my idol.
And that's all.
Shout out to Fulton.
She's obsessed with Fulton. By the way,
He's my
if you don't know-
favorite
if you
YouTuber.
don't know who Fulton is, it's a Roblox YouTuber. By the way,
Houston Fulton.
bye.